Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing a reachable phone number and an alternate email. This speeds verification. Once ready, open the QQ app or the official sign-up page and choose your region. Make sure the country code matches your phone. Next, tap Create Account or Sign Up Now. Enter a simple, memorable password following length rules and save it securely. You do this first because the system will immediately request your phone for a verification code, so be ready to receive SMS. Once you input your phone number, wait for the SMS code and type it exactly. You may need to request the code again if it times out. After verification, set a strong password and pick a display name. Avoid special characters that may be rejected. Follow on-screen CAPTCHA steps to prove you are human. These can be image or puzzle types. Then add a recovery email to restore access later, and link another login method if the option appears to streamline future sign-ins. You finish by confirming account creation and accepting QQ terms, then complete the brief profile setup, upload an avatar, and set basic privacy preferences so strangers don't contact you immediately. Bind the account to your device and enable two-step verification if offered to secure access. If verification fails, first retry SMS and wait a few minutes, then use the recovery email or request a voice call. If problems persist, contact QQ support with your region code.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.